Fantastic morning. I'm asking you, good evening, some net was so say, Badwam Agokansie. Some of the talks, so there's a fatal salt in the Aboa no pay, so ya de brewe. Kejuana Kasani, Erica said, Buddy, is ya Conquana, a GH or the golden herba mixture. And I can't wear day by malaria bequa, a golden herba mixture, and I feel so Badwam herba mixture, Badwam original nice or Bema, original nice or Bame. Bema dear, yes, that's the way you so original nice or yes, libido no big nice or premier, a Badwam herba mixture. No queen this year can come here in 7 or April. You better say the fear rather UEFA Champions League and Manfonia must say a power, but still women Vogo be bear fine. Atlanta could win over Stuttgart in a final. It's not few Salzburg born a Camions. Atletico ball Paris Saint-Germain by 2-1. Bayern Munich winning 1-0 over Benfica. Barca winning 5-2 over Red Star Belgrade. And Inter Milan Arsenal by 2-0. Right, and so when on the course, so were various games anymore. You know, to say table no the Aquacoye, Aston Villa 40 from Liverpool, Nigeria, power table, so easy. Liverpool on top with 12 points, Sporting CP, second with 10, Monaco third with 10, Brest Edio, Inter Milan, Edio, Barcelona, Dortmund, Aston Villa, Sianki, Jaya. We will never qualify automatically to the round of 16. Now we will have a playoff no, from number 9 to number 24, normal playoff na we mono aqua elimination places. Yes, I'm going to but anyway, Atlanta, the Man City, Juventus, Arsenal, Leverkusen, Lille, Celtic, Dynamo Zagreb, Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, United, the Susaba, PSV, and of course, one more card Paris Saint-Germain, money in a Chidom so, and a Guasia or no, and then the Ecoso, there were Champions League, my own some so a bat and the anno. Paying. Chane Sumami say golden eba mesha mona ade abase mwana malaria na chidom nyina ntengida no edan chen aboatma eba mesha male vitality libido e ma no so mo libido no hia oba 3 years ni enya o say omu ahwe e ode kakra unye nipa o abi emu a ye nipa so fi logo ligi kakra e normal so eno ntimi masa aboatma eba mesha and you can for your man no pa if one ko pie mu onsen from you call the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana coach Otoado you should anymore say na what three more nene ne chene ya no obenemi the squad for that game yene Angola Niger e de bepem so no coach Otoado e hwe se kwambia so no players bia no mo kan wa parenti o mantimi ama last time no on be san be kan na bibia so atimi akoyi e horo ye mo nwura sa story ni mo
bosumi aye omu ne de toso dunum African Cup of Nations a qualification no 2025 ye twaswa Ghana Akansie adru ye so no ye ne Angola na de bomu e wo mu fie enu nti ochena Otoado esi nkonya o GF aso ye ho no mo a players ahodo ya wo begina masisa Akansie nyina odi o mudin betudwa na ye sa akan nko na players begina masidi abo man Ghana November ne de toso dunwotwen Akansie twato kra e group nim yene Niger na eboso awofie na won krapopu ni mantem ha no sa Akansie ne mu ba yire pa anu ntim rante ya papa yi ebetu wo mudin no omo akro ya na begina mu a Niger Akansie yi ombebo ensensentwerefo agitafo omo di ball na chi ana fe omo ka bia wo mu no ye hwe ne mu sefiara obibia kwa kohia ewo GF secretariat ho a papa yi de adini tudwa wi a ensem bia ho ma busa ansa na Akansie na nkasa abaso
ano ne de koso Black Stars akachi enfio ne kopie mu the Ghana Armed Forces e ba try ne yomo na atumi adinkunim ewo the Ghana Athletics Open Championship wa ba edema security services or University of Ghana Stadium ewo Legon man me man afam nyina no omo kire mbobre ewo 2-day event ni mo
security service for Akansie ebi tu dwa chepa enu nti na wotwe awie Ghana Athletics ehhehye ya abambofo yi ewo Legon ago pamaso emesa amliketu yi ekoso kama ekowi ase no na Ghana Armed Forces womo na adinkunimu a ene bua won ero Akansie omu kopie mu Nigeria no omakogine mate o my Ghana ni sa nhehye ye tu dwa o Legon no we ya husiesi a Sesa games a omasan so akofa ba no eno be kanya amrante yi ne mabai no magine matumrika e de aboa wankasa ho ogura ne dia de kan Richard Akoto director of training and PTA at Ghana Armed Forces ɔne kasaya ani agye saa dwumadie ho pa.
For the armed forces, the ultimate goal is to get a very vibrant team that will represent Ghana Armed Forces in the coming African Military Games in Abuja from 18th to 30th of this month. We hope that by the time we finish, we'll have had our team set and we'll be ready to compete for Ghana Armed Forces. We want them to do well, and that is why we are very happy that these opportunities have been presented us. It is work in progress. At least this will be a major international competition, because the last time they held this was in the 70s. And for all African militaries coming together, we think it is a platform that our boys can showcase their talents and also make us proud.
Neba Fuseni nso tibre kese Adom Ghana Athletics osesa anhihye eno beboa pa omanfo mo boy ho ban no eni se de bia ombe hye ntade no ma batiri akiti ehu behia so mbetum ni captain troma pom na Agokansie bia omde omo ho bagim no akoye ade amoman no.
I was an athlete. I participated in the SSA game. I love it. I enjoy it. So once I have the opportunity to try to revive this, why not? So the end game of this championship is to rekindle the spirit of the SSA game among the scheduled services, so that we'll have a full-blown scheduled services games, including this championship, in the near future.
If you want to consent for more President demand persons with disability, our Ghana Richard Affair, on in some to just a fee, young put it team no koji Afcon by and share more near Mankoye, Musika Sama Kamuka Crania, the but if I'm trying young Bibia, almost team Lina no more a disability being an abaton no monto.
Ghana and do disabled for Ghana treaty at the Sesabi, disabled, ya more, into be papa bia ye piano, almost person best supported, including a sports sector. Yen no PWD and put his former winning cap. Up to now, once the government no fair among firm make attempts and make bookie appointment in put to meet even the vice president, even to say I go create na boys impo. Guys are me impo, Bebrenano, the winning African Canadian best player of the tournament. I picked this boy, small boy, for some years back to develop. Captain, assistant captain, most of the guys, I personally developed them for the nation. But mine then no mine ye dia boy. Boni ben ye dia your mine no. Ye nine ye pesi ye nine try ye pesi ye inflana. Sebi. Ye say ye dia ye near friend ye boni a sebi o mine accept say net ye na. Ye di ya ye the person can now the government say His Excellency so one ban one two be gender minister, because we still have a challenge with the gender ministry, and you might be brave the gender ministry now is all fighting my end because of say disability total percent 10% of the total percent, which is approximately over 3.something million people. Now would the question gender ministry so there's no development, and even only a minister no yet disabled disability at here we meeting us, one also timase, and for anyway meeting us, one also timase.
Right, and so I know dear Richard Affair at the Etue Justin. So golden about mixture, malaria drop papa by German so Oko drugstore be also a golden about mixture, ya baby draw, Samson bought my about mixture, so Emma be my original nice to ye pain, and what wasted in mobile constipation back a year bottom about mixture. Drugstore be a ton drew be a benyabi or patcho only 12 years I won't count. When you mount count, wow, for so count. We one more in there. Like I said, if you to me, Ako ye. Imagine soon no pines to the sister Jomanocho Bernard Paributre, producers. Yano Kai and Nankasaka Kejuan, Agokansie, body near Pomodon, some better was you, we are the Akaba, because I have